Familiarity breeds contempt. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Familiarity breeds contempt, which means that the more you know someone or something, the more likely you are to find faults and to treat them poorly. This is a common occurrence in many personal and professional relationships, where the initial excitement and interest in a new person or project may eventually turn into boredom, frustration, or even hostility. However, familiarity can also lead to positive outcomes if we learn to appreciate the value of it. By becoming more familiar with our own strengths and weaknesses, as well as those of the people and things around us, we can improve our communication, empathy, and resilience. We can also learn from our mistakes and challenges and become more creative, adaptable, and compassionate. Instead of taking familiarity for granted, we can use it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Whether we are facing a difficult problem at work or a personal crisis at home, we can use our familiarity with the situation to generate new insights, solutions, and resources. By staying curious, humble, and open-minded, we can turn familiarity from a curse to a blessing and make the most of our relationships and experiences. So let us embrace familiarity, but let us also be aware of its pitfalls and possibilities. Familiarity breeds contempt, but it doesn't have to be that way. We can break the cycle by practicing gratitude, kindness, and patience. By focusing on the positive aspects of our relationships and experiences, we can shift our perspective and attitude towards them. We can also challenge our assumptions and biases and seek to understand and appreciate diversity and complexity. By doing so, we can build trust, respect, and cooperation, and create a more inclusive and harmonious world. Moreover, by cultivating a sense of awe, wonder, and curiosity, we can rediscover the beauty and richness of life that may have been hidden under the veil of familiarity. We can also find new meanings and purposes, and pursue our passions and dreams with renewed vigor and enthusiasm. In conclusion, familiarity can be both a curse and a blessing, depending on how we approach it. Let us choose to see it as an opportunity for growth, connection, and joy. And let us use it to create a better future for ourselves and others. Familiarity breeds contempt, but it doesn't have to be that way. By recognizing the potential for negativity and actively working to counteract it, we can create more positive and fulfilling relationships and experiences. This means being open to change and growth, communicating honestly and respectfully, showing appreciation and empathy, and pursuing common goals and interests. It also means being aware of our biases and limitations, and seeking to overcome them through education, reflection, and dialogue. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.